Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to cut a long sleeve for a senator or shirt. So what you need is to fold 11 inches, and after folding 11 inches out, we mark out 4 inches for the slant, and then we gradually curve it this way. Take your time to make sure the curve is nice, not too curved, not too sharp. Then right now we'll be doing some mathematics on the sleeve here. So the sleeve is 25. We'll mark out 25, and then we'll be subtracting 2 inches. The 2 inches we are subtracting here is for the cuffs. The mathematics is that the cuff is 3 inches, right? So now you minus 2 inches from your entire length instead of 3 inches, because you are going to be using ½ inch to join the cuff and ½ inch to join the top. I hope you understand what I mean. ½ inch for the top, ½ inch to join the cuffs. So right here at the base here, we'll take 6.5. That's actually a constant. Then we merge it to the armpits. So if you're new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Also share this video with your friends, and make sure you stay connected, because on this channel we post everything about tailoring, male tailoring to be precise. So see you in my next class. Have a nice day. Bye.